Good morning, students. Today in SST, we will go through fill-ups of all the chapters, that is chapter 1 to 5. I'll take the revision test of filling the blanks. So I will give you the sentences with the blank and you will write the answers and give it to me, okay, in the group in the rough copy. And many students have not given me the detailed question answer revision test. Only few students have shown me, so that also you will show it to me today. Short question answers also, but many students have not shown it. So all these you have to show it today only. Okay? Wherever you have done in your rough copy, you show it to me. And learn all your chapters from 1 to 5 for pre-periodic exams. It is very near. From chapter 1 to 5, all exercises, sports check also you have to learn it. It will come in one word answers form, and then answers, short answers, detailed answers, then diagram, and everybody will attempt their diagram in exam. So don't skip that. So all these things you have to do it, you have to practice it, you have to learn it, you complete your work. Okay? And many students did not turn up on the copy correction day, so your marks will be deducted for that also, because you all are not coming and showing the copies. That means you have not made the copies till now, so you have to show it to me. Okay? Holiday homeworks also many of you have not shown it. You had come with only your copies, and it was properly mentioned in the notice that you have to show the holiday homework also. So those who have shown it, they will get marks for that, and those who have not shown it, they will not get the marks. And so let us start with our fill-ups. I will go through all the fill-ups of chapter 1 to 5, and then revision test will be taken from that. Okay? So let's start it. So students, this is the first chapter, fill in the blanks. Dash is the only planet that supports life. Which is the only planet that supports life? It is Earth. Then dash % of Earth is water. Here it is written land. So you have to cut that land and it is written water. So 71% of Earth is water and 29% is land. Then dash is the second most populous continent in the world. So it is Africa. Then dash is the windiest continent. So it is Antarctica. Then dash in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point of Earth. So that is Mariana Trench. It is deepest point of Earth. So this is the first chapter. Then we come to the second chapter. So in second chapter, fill up is the shape of the Earth is like an orange, but slightly flattened at the top. Means at the top it is little bit flattened at the top and at the bottom. Like orange, you see, no, it is round, but it is flat at the top and the bottom. Then lines of longitude. Many of the, whenever I give you this fill in the blank, they write latitude or any other thing. It is lines of longitude. Meets at the pole and they are farther apart from at the equator. Then dash are parallel equidistant lines at a distance of 1 degree towards north and south from the equator. It is latitudes. Then dash is located at 66.5 degrees south from the equator. That is Antarctic Circle. Then lines of longitude run from North Pole to South Pole. So this is the fill in the blanks of chapter 2. Then we come to chapter 3. Chapter 3, first fill in the blank is dash is the longest day of the year. So which is the longest day? 21st June. When the days and nights are of equal length, it is called an equinox. During the month of July, August and September, the northern hemisphere gets 24 hours of sunlight. The southern hemisphere experiences summer in the month of January, February and March. See, in northern hemisphere, it is July, August and September, and in the southern hemisphere it is January, February and March. And a leap year comes after every 4 years. and an extra day is added to the month of February in this year. Then we come to chapter 4, fill in the blanks. Here, topographical map shows shape and elevation of an area. Means what type of height is there, what type of shape it is. Then cartographers make maps. Maps are drawn to scale, means they are in a measurement type of that how much percentage it will take, how much inches it is on a scale. Then political maps are used for showing political boundaries, and the symbols are the language of a map. Then we come to the 5th chapter, exercises. The ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Our environment is very dynamic. Then atmosphere is made up of gases. It is gases, GASES. Then lithosphere consists of the crust. And we have been able to discover 1.3 million species till date. So students, these were the fill-ups 1 to 5. From these only I will give you some fill-ups to write, and you will write the answers only and give it to me in the rough copy. Okay, and also show me your detailed question answers, those who have not shown it, and short question answers also. So you will show me all these things, and complete your work, your diagrams. Many of the students still have not completed the 6th chapter diagram, which I had given of 2 seasons. That also you have to complete it, 2 seasons of this. And in all these other diagrams I had told you that in the 5th chapter, this diagram, the layers of the earth and composition of the atmosphere will come. Then in the 4th chapter only this the directions will come. And in the 3rd chapter, equinox and solstice, this diagram. Then rotation of the earth, this diagram, and then the movement of the earth around the sun. 3 diagrams are there in the 3rd chapter. In the 2nd chapter, you have to draw lines of latitude and lines of longitude. Okay, these 2 are there. And in the 1st chapter, I told you to draw the earth, our planet. And map work is there. This will come in the 80 marks paper. And earth, I told you to draw it in the 1st chapter. So all 5 chapters, that these diagrams were given. Okay, thank you.